Merci. Good evening, everyone, and welcome. It truly means a lot to see all of you here tonight. Bonsoir à toutes et à tous, et bienvenue. Nous sommes ravis de vous retrouver ce soir. Tonight is a moment we've been looking forward to for a long time. With Disney Adventure World, we're not only unveiling a reimagined park, we're opening the door to a new era. Ce soir marque un moment que j'attendais impatiemment. Avec Disney Adventure World, nous ne dévoilons pas seulement un parc reimaginé, nous commençons une nouvelle ère.
Disney Adventure World will be known as a place where guests can step into the Disney, Marvel, Pixar stories they love deeply and have their own exciting experiences in amazing places.
On behalf of all of us at Disney, I welcome you to Disney Adventure World and officially declare World of Frozen open.
They've got a dream. She's got a dream. He's got a dream. We've got a dream. So our differences ain't really that extreme. We're one big team.
And with every passing hour, I'm so glad I left my tower. Like all you lovely folks, I've got a dream.
I've got a dream. And at last I see the light.
And it's like the sky is blue.
And it's warm and real and broad and calm. And the world is somehow shifted.
There's 1,000 reasons I should go. You're just a ring in my ear. And if I heard you, which I don't, I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown.
Tonight, a dream is coming true. Disneyland Paris is granting his 25,000 wish for a child. And Lou, this one's for you.
J'aimerais savoir pourquoi. Pense à moi.
On a tellement hâte de venir te voir à Arendelle.